In this video, we are going to see marking rational numbers on number line. So if you are a child from CBSE 9th standard and you are learning number system, this particular concept is how to mark rational numbers on the number line. Let us get into the video now. So mark 1 by 5 on the number line. How will you mark it? So make this line. Line means it will be having double side arrow like this. And with your compass, keep your compass pin on this and then pencil on this. Any unit, you can just take this is a single unit. Okay, just make it. And then this is the length of this thing. I'm just for the guidance, I'm putting it here also. Okay, this is the equal length. We have just marked it. So point number 1, we mark it as P0. Point number 2, you mark it as P1. And we are going to get these 5 equal parts. Okay, because 1 by 5 is a 5 equal parts. So we are going to make the mark as P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 like this. So what is the next point we have to mark here? Here it is P2. All right. Now, next one is the same equivalent we are just marking with the compass and the pencil here on the number line, and that point is P3. Same way you have to mark P4 and P5. So that particular whole is divided into 5 equal parts, because dividing, once you are marking the point 0 and 1, it will be very difficult to divide them into equal parts. Instead of that, this method, if you use it, just keep your compass with a particular width and then keep changing the position of this compass pin from P0 to P1, P1 to P2, P2 to P3, then P3 to P4, then P4 to P5. Finally, you will be getting 5 equal parts. P0 to P1 is the equal part, which is 1 by 5. So P0, you mark it as 0, and P1, you mark it as 1 by 5. Then P1 to P2, again it is 1 by 5 only. But P0 to P2, that particular point, we have to mark the number line as 2 by 5. Same way P3, 3 by 5, P4, 4 by 5, and P5, which is equal to 5 by 5, but which is equal to 1. So what we wanted is 1 by 5. The whole is 0 to 1. That full length is 1 unit. And then we have got 5 equal parts. So what we wanted is 1 by 5, which is the point is P1. So I'm making a mark like this. Now, very interesting thing, you just understand this. Length 1, L1, between P0 and P1, what is the length? It is 1 by 5, and it is called as first equal part. Okay, same way, P1 to P2, it is second equal part. So second equal part, it is length is again 1 by 5 only, because we have made equal parts. So every length is equal to 1 by 5. Same way, I'm just noting it here, L3 equal to 1 by 5, L4 equal to 1 by 5, and L5 also equal to 1 by 5. And very next important thing and interesting thing is, if you take any 2 points like this, their length is equal to 2 equal parts. Okay, 2 adjacent equal parts. Let us take this as length 6, which is equal to L2, which is P1 to P2 is L2 plus L3. L3 is P2 to P3. Okay, so when we get this, actual numbers are 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, which is equal to 2 by 5. So the total length from P1 to P3, it is 2 by 5. So this is how you have to understand and grasp it. Okay, right. One more interesting is, let us take 3 consecutive length. Okay, so that is P2 to P3, add it, P3 to P4, add it, P4 to P5, add it, to get the total length between P2 to P5, which is again, we have marked here as L7 equal to L3 plus L4 plus L5, which is equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, which is equal to 3 by 5, right? So this is a small information for you, even though it is not required when you study about marking the rational number on the number line, just for your information and to gain more knowledge on this, what we are doing. Next one is mark 2 by 5 on the number line. Same way you are going to make 1 unit length in your compass, keeping that compass pin on P0, and then you will be marking this P1 with the pencil area. Okay, the pencil point will be P1. So next, just keep your compass at P1 and mark the point here as P2 on the number line, keeping the same length. Okay, so next one is P3, next one is P4, because the equal part in the denominator is 5. So we have to go up to P5. Keep on marking this. Now you have got the whole length as P0 to P5, which is 1. Okay. But what we wanted is 2 by 5. So first point P0 is 0. P1 is 1 by 5. P2 is 2 by 5. P3 is 3 by 5. P4 is 4 by 5. And P5 is equal to 5 by 5, which is equal to 1. Right? Now 2 by 5, which point it is? It is obviously it is P2. Right? So you are able to make it. Right. Same way we will be learning these additional points as L1 equal to 1 by 5, then length 2 equal to 1 by 5, length 3 equal to 1 by 5, length 4 equal to 1 by 5, and length 5 equal to 1 by 5. Again here L6, L4 plus L5 equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, which you already learned this. This is additional information. Now, next one is very interesting. Here it is 3 by 7. That means you have to make the whole into 7 equal parts and go to the third point on this. So we will take a number line with your compass and pencil, keep it in a particular width, and then take this as a unit length, keeping this point of the pin on P0 and pencil on P1. You mark this point. Okay, P0, P1, mark it. Next, keeping the pin on P1 and the pencil on P2 with the same unit length without changing the position of the compass and the width of the compass. Okay, mark the pencil point as P2. Now keeping pin on P2 and pencil at a particular position, mark that point as P3. Now change the pin position to P3 and the pencil position with the mark on this and mark the point as P4. Now keeping the compass pin at P4, mark the pencil in the particular number line, particular place, and then mark that point as P5. Okay, now same way you are just continuing till you are going to get the point P7. Now P0 to P7 is your total whole number, okay, which is 1. Let us take it as P0 to P1, P7 is 1. So how we are going to get it now? We will just see here. So the first point you mark it as 0. Because this 3 by 7 is a proper fraction which is less than 1. Proper fraction means it is less than 1. Okay. So we are just going to mark P0 as 1, P0 as 0 and P7 as 1. How we are going to get it? P7 will be 7 by 7 equal to 1. Okay. So let us see here. Now P1 equal to 1 by 7, P2 equal to 2 by 7. The point P3 should be marked as 3 by 7, which is the point which we wanted. Same way 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, and 7 by 7 equal to 1. Now P3 is the point where we are getting this 3 by 7, which is the rational number marked very easily. Same way, length 1, length 2, length 3, all these are already aware. Okay. So I'm just making it fast because our aim is not to make this particular one. We just have to mark number 3 by 7 on the number line. Now this is improper fraction, but it is more than 1 also, and it's a mixed fraction. Okay. So the whole is 1, whereas we have to mark the point as 1, 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 is the fraction and 1 is the whole number. So what the trick here is, I think nobody would have thought this. If somebody already taught you, it is fine, but please make this as an interest learning from me. I am Prabhakar. Okay. Now this particular point, you will be marking it as P0, P1, same way, keeping the compass and pencil with a particular width, and then keep on changing the position of the pin and pencil, keep on marking this P1 and P2. Now, instead of marking P0 as 0, now we are going to make the first whole number what is available here. What is the whole number here? It is 1. So mark it as 1. Then second point, that is P1, mark it as 1, the whole number, plus the first fraction as 1 by 2, because we have divided into 2 equal parts. That point is called as 1 by 2. Next, the point is whole number is 1 plus 2 by 2 is the fraction number. Okay, because we wanted two equal parts of this particular unit length. So two equal parts we have made. So 2 by 2. Again, it is coming as 1. So 1 as a whole number plus 2 by 2 is the fraction, which is the rational number. And we are getting here also as a whole number. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So this point is 2. P2 is the point 2. So between 1 and 2, we are getting 1.5. This particular point is there, which you are already able to understand it. So mark it as P1 as the particular point. Same way, length 1, length 2, all these things are already understood. Now, very some people are feeling that this is a very toughest way to do that. I will make it easy for you. Observe the magic, what is happening here. Same way, now what is the whole number here? 5. So that means the first point we should mark it as 5 and then make 5 equal distances like this. Then go to the third point and mark it like this. So P0 to be marked as 5. P1 to be, what is the length? It is 1 by 5. Like this, we'll be keep on making. So P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 will be marking. Okay. So now we are getting this point as 5. P0 as 5. P1 equal to 5 plus the first equal part of 1 by 5, which is equal to 5, 1 by 5, right? And the second one is 5 plus 2 by 5, which is equal to 5, 2 by 5, which I have skipped it here to note it because of this space constraint. And we are just jumping into 5 plus 3 by 5 because the 3 is relevant to P3. This is very easiest way to remember it, okay? You don't have to mark it as A, B, C, D, all this thing. Instead of that, mark it starting with P0, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, you will be able to remember it forever. Okay, so this particular point is P3, so it is 5 plus 3 by 5, which is 5, 3 by 5. 5 is the whole and 3 by 5 is the fraction. And next one will be P4 plus, sorry, yeah, it is 5 plus 4 by 5, which is equal to 5, 4 by 5. The whole number is 5 and the fraction is 4 by 5. Same way, P5, where you are getting 5 as a whole number plus 5 by 5. 5 equal parts out of 5. Okay. So all these things put together, if you are getting this 5 by 5 as 1, so 5 plus 1 equal to 6. So P5, the point is 6. So between 5 and 6, which point we wanted is 5, 3 by 5. So 5, 3 by 5 means we will be marking this point 3 as 5, 3 by 5. This is very clearly explained. If you have any doubt, please, children, please put in your comment section. Okay. I'll get back to you within 24 hours. And finally, one more. Shall we see this one more? 12 is the whole number and 7 by 8 is the fraction number. On the number line, we have to mark it. So what you have to mark here, the first point as, yes, exactly. Most of the children are telling it is correctly. 12 is the first point. And we have to mark the final point, which is 8th point from here as, that is P8 is going to be your 13, whole number 13. So between 12 and 13, you are going to mark this 7 by 8. That means P7 will be 12, 7 by 8. Okay, this is how we are going to mark it. Keep the pointer compass in P0 and bring it to a width with your pencil point at P1. Okay, keep on interchanging the position from P1 to P2, P2 to P3, like this, keep on making this up to how many points you have to make? P8. So this is how it is being done. So stop here now. So mark the first point as P0. Instead of 0, you should mark it as 12. And then this is 12, 1 by 8. Okay, so 12, 1 by 8, we are marking it here. Here it is 12, 3 by 8 as P3. Then 12, 5 by 8 as P5 and 12, 7 by 8 as P7 and finally 12 plus 8 by 8. 8 by 8 is 1, so 12 plus 1 equal to 13. So between 12 and 13, we have made 8 equal parts and the number what we wanted is 7 by 8. 12, 7 by 8, which is 0.7. So after 12, if you are making 8 equal parts, you should mark this 7th point as 12, 7 by 8. This is how you have to learn how to mark any rational number on the number line. it can be done in the negative side also in the same way. Please learn it from this. Put it in the comment section if you have any doubt. Thank you, children, for watching this video. If you have already subscribed to my channel DPAB here, I have just put it in the top right corner here. This is my channel name DPAB. If you have already subscribed, thank you very much. And if you have not subscribed, please go and subscribe it. Press bell icon button, click all. After pressing bell icon button, please click all so that you will be getting notification of all type of videos, whatever I'm putting. Okay. Then you can just write comments, click the like button and share it to your friends. But if you are feeling that you are not able to subscribe, you are not able to press the bell icon button, you are not able to write the comment, you are not able to press the like button, please note it, very important point, create one Gmail account. If your parent is already having this Gmail account, you can use that. Or if you want to create, if your parent are allowing you to create one more Gmail ID for you, create it. And then go to YouTube, sign in using your Gmail ID, then watch my video. Please press this subscribe button, then click on this bell icon button and all. When you are pressing the bell icon button, you will be having the option to select personalized or all. In this, if you press all type of video, whatever I'm putting will be coming to your notification. Then you will be able to save the notification, and as and when it is possible, you can just go and see the particular video. And after seeing the video, please do press like button, write comment. How is the video? You want any improvement on this? You want any other doubts to be discussed? Everything, please put it within 24 hours. I'll be able to get back to you. Right? Without forgetting, please press like button and share it to your friends. Thank you very much, children. Take care. Bye.